Every second counts for those waiting for life-saving treatments. But the path from scientific discovery to patient access is long, complex, and filled with challenges. That's where WuXi AppTec's CRDMO platform makes a difference. By integrating discovery, development, and manufacturing under one roof, our CRDMO model eliminates handoffs, reduces delays, and ensures unwavering quality. It transforms a fragmented journey into a streamlined process, helping innovators accelerate timelines, lower cost, and improve the likelihood of success. From small molecules, tides, and beyond, we are able to support all those transformative medicines that hold the promise to improve lives. Across oncology, cardiovascular diseases, neurological disorders, to rare diseases, our efficiency translates directly to patients: faster access, more affordable treatments, greater hope. At WuXi AppTec, we're proud to help breakthrough therapies reach those who need them most, swiftly and cost-effectively. Everything we do is driven by the shared vision to build a future where every drug can be made and every disease can be treated.